1955, Smith & Wesson unveiled the Model 29. Chambered in the then formidable .44 Magnum, the Model 29 arrived at a moment when shooters wanted raw stopping power wrapped in fine workmanship. It was designed for hunters, lawmen, and anyone who wanted a handgun with authority. The grips were carved from solid walnut and shaped for a firm, balanced hold, meant to tame recoil while feeling substantial in hand. The heavy barrel and full-length underlug gave the pistol a deliberate, purposeful profile. Sights were beefy for long-range aiming and rugged field use. Built on a beefy steel frame, the Model 29's cylinder and lockwork were engineered to handle high pressures, delivering reliable fire whether in single or double action. The result was more than a tool. It became an icon of American handgun power, loud, precise, and unmistakably authoritative.
Shadows play on the ocean floor. Whispers echo through an open door. Fingers trace the lines of time, fading echoes. A soft rewind. We drift like
Model 29 is real history, a revolver of muscle and myth. What other legends would you like me to sketch next?